The meditation to close off today's practice is called Blossoming into Your True Self. What a beautiful title, and wait till you see the experience itself. Bring the base of your palms together, so this part remains touching, and then gently touch all of your fingertips together, thumb tips included. Softly close your eyes, and as you inhale, move the fingertips away from each other like the blossoming of a rose. And as you exhale, bring all of those petals back together again. Inhale, I am infinity, I am the rose. Closing, I am infinity, I am the rose. Inhaling as you open, stretch out your fingers, I am infinity, I am the rose. Closing, I am infinity, I am the rose. Continue now the mantra, I am infinity, I am the rose, inhaling as you open the flower and exhaling as you close the flower. Blossoming into your true nature, blossoming into the possibility. Engaging with community, taking the next steps into your life purpose. And maybe, just maybe, trusting the drumbeat of your heart and following your deepest desires. I am infinity, I am the rose. If part of this desire includes Kundalini Yoga teacher training, I am delighted to meet with you. Take a look at all the description box links. You'll find one there for Kundalini Yoga teacher training. Book a discovery call. Let's get to know each other. Let's find out if this program is the right one for you. And let's get you started. I am infinity. I am the rose. I am infinity. I am the rose. I am infinity. I am the rose. Last one. Last two. And last three. Bring your fingertips to touch as you finish off your last repetition. Press your palms together so they're flat. Touch your thumbs to the center of your chest. Sit with a tall, straight spine. We chant a long Sat short Nam 3 times together, closing off our practice with the mantra Sat Nam, truth is my name, the sacred language of Gurmukhi. Inhale very deeply. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Please ground yourself, bring your forehead and your palms to the ground, closing off the energy of today's practice. On behalf of Vanessa and all the crew here at YogaVision, thank you so much for joining in. If you like and appreciate these videos, please do your part. Share, like, subscribe. Let it do well in this world and beyond. Share on your socials. Join us on socials, YogaVision Online, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all the things. And know that we are in community together. And as you grow, we all grow. Sat Nam, and until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Lots of love. Bye for now.